Hello dear students. So let us try to solve some more questions on factorization. We have 4m square plus n square as 40, mn as 6, then the value of 2m plus n. Let us try to use identities to solve this problem. We will use identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so we will use this instead of a and b. A will be 2m and b will be n. Okay, so a is 2m, so 2m whole square plus b is n, so n square plus 2ab. 2 into a means 2m into b means n. Okay, so 2m square means 2 square means 4, m means m square plus n square plus 2 2s are 4, 4m. Okay, now when we look at the question, we have 4m square plus n square as 40. So can we substitute this 4m square plus n square as 40? Yes, plus 4mn, mn means 6, so 4 into 6. So this is nothing but 40 plus 4 6 are 24, which is 64. So 2m plus n whole square, 2m plus n whole square is 64. We know that 8 square is 64. So when we have both the powers same, so it becomes 2m plus n is equal to 8. Therefore, option 3 is the right answer. Which of the following shows 3 consecutive multiples of 8? 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Okay. So if we observe carefully the multiplied numbers, let us take this one. Let us assume x as 1. So this will be 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 1 plus 16, 17. Is this the multiplied? No. Can we say this one is multiplied? No, because 8 into x, 8x is fine, but here we have x plus 16. Okay. How about this one? 8 ones are 8, but here 1 plus 8 again 9. 1 plus 16, 17. So that is not multiple. But when we look at option 4, it has that 8x. So 8 into 1, 8. Then 8x plus 1. 8 into 1 plus 1, that is 8 2s are 16. Then we have 8 into 1 plus 2, 3. 8 3s are 24. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. Therefore, option 4 is the right answer. A square minus b square whole square is equal to, what do we mean by that? A square minus b square whole square. It means a square minus b square, we know that very well. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b, correct? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is one of the identities. Now this whole square means we have to multiply this again, that's all. So it will be a square minus b square whole square is equal to a plus b. We will multiply 2 times, that is a plus b again. Same way a minus b also we multiply 2 times. Okay. So now what happens? A plus b into a plus b will become a plus b whole square. Same way a minus b into a minus b will become a minus b whole square. Simple. So it is, the answer is option 2, a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square. A shopkeeper sells a mobile phone for 30x square plus 25 plus 17. If the profit is, then cost of the mobile. Let me tell you basic student. Profit means, profit is nothing but selling price, SP, minus cost price. This is profit. Now in this question, selling price is given, profit is given. We need to find out the cost price. So what we can do? We can send this cost price here. So cost price is equal to selling price, profit will come here. So minus profit, correct? So let us try to do it now. So what is the selling price? It says here sells. So this is the selling price. Selling price is 30 x square plus 20 y plus 17. Profit is, see, the profit is this one, 15x square plus 17y minus 3. When we do subtraction, 30 minus 15 will become 5x square. 20 minus 17 will become 3y. Minus into minus, this will become plus. Okay. So 17 plus 3 will become plus 20. So 5x square plus 3y plus 20. Sorry, 30 minus 15 is 15x square. 15x square plus 3y plus 20. Which option? Option 3 is the right answer. Okay. Let us move to next question. A plus B is equal to 15, B plus C is equal to 15 and C plus A is equal to 8. Then value of A plus B plus C. So usually whenever this type of question is given, that is A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, we will simply add all of them. Okay, we will just add all of them. So when we add, what happens? A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, if you observe, we have 2 A's. So 2A plus we have 2B. 2B plus we have 2C. Then we will add this 15 plus 15, 30. 30 plus 8, 38. Okay. We will take out 2 common from here. So it will be A plus B plus C is equal to 38. This 2 will come here. It will get divided with 38. So A plus B plus C is equal to 38 by 2, which is nothing but 19. So A plus B plus C is 19. Okay. Next one, 61. If y square plus 1 by y square is equal to 5, then y minus 1 by y. Okay. Now we need to find out this value. So let us use this identity. Since we have minus, we will use this identity. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay. So y minus 1 by y whole square is equal to y square plus 1 by y square minus 2 into A means y, B means 1 by y. So 2 into y into 1 by y. So this y gets cancelled. Okay. And also it is given y square plus 1 by y square means 5. So y square plus 1 by y square is equal to, we can substitute 5 minus, this has got cancelled. So we have 2, 5 minus 2. So answer is 5 minus 2, 3. So y minus, this is y minus 1 by y whole square is 3. Hold on. We need y minus 1 by y, that's all, not whole square. So this 2, it will come this side, it will become root. So y minus 1 by y will become square root of 3. Therefore option 4, square root of 3 is the right answer. Okay, one more question. Let's try. The value of root 2 plus root 6 whole square minus root 2 minus root 6 whole square. Okay. Root 2 plus root 6 whole square. So this is nothing but a plus b whole square format. A plus b whole square format minus here a minus b whole square format. So a plus b whole square we know a square plus 2ab plus b square minus here again minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. So a square gets cancelled, b square gets cancelled. We will have 4ab, that's all. So this is a, this is b. So we will say 4 into what is a? Root 2 into what is b? Root 6. So root 2 into root 6, root 12. So 4 into root 12. Again we can write 4 into root 12, we can write it as 4 into 3. This root 4 is nothing but 2. So that will come out 4 into 2 root 3, which is nothing but 4 2s are 8 root 3. Quite simple. Okay.